this cold start. Y'all right quick, make sure I'm walking no dog poop. Cold start action. What a way to start the day. Let's go. Guys. Let me first of all start by saying welcome to 2023. I know I'm late. It's been a week. Yeah, the new year has already been a little interesting, but happy new year. Ready to get things started today. Oh, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're not new here, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we got 500 subscribers. Never, ever in the history of me making YouTube videos did I think I was gonna get 500 subscribers. But yeah, we there. Well, I knew it was coming. I just didn't know it was coming that quick. I mean, I only started back making YouTube videos like maybe like 3 months ago. So y'all really been putting it down for y'all boy, been showing love, y'all been showing support, and I appreciate it, man. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these videos, man. I'm trying to keep bringing y'all this heat all 2023. We going full throttle, baby, for sure. On the bill, on the channel, whatever y'all want to see, comment down below. Let me know. If you not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that comment button. And if you like what you see so far on the channel, go check out some other videos after this one. And if you like what you see, man, just go ahead and subscribe, man. I got plenty more coming. And we're not playing no games with 2023 this year. But today, we on the way to Cars and Coffee. And also, today I'm throwing... What was that? I don't even know which way I should go. I don't know the quickest way. But today I'm also throwing the cheapest oil cash can Billet oil cash can that I could find on Amazon. We throwing that on the car, and we gonna see how that work out for us. Not gonna lie, I already opened the box. It already looks pretty stout. Has the bracket and all the lines and all the they got braided lines and all that. Everything looks pretty okay, but you know, we're gonna throw it on the whip today after we leave Cars and Coffee. I'm going to Cars and Coffee, and I'm meeting my a couple of my Chevy friends out there. My homeboy Sameem and his uncle, they got SS. His uncle got a mean SS, and he got a mean SS too. He got headers on it, so she sound real good. But after that, we gonna go down to the country to my folks' crib. We gonna throw that on there. I think I was about to say, if I see anything interesting in Cars and Coffee, I'll throw it on camera. But for the most part, I don't know because I don't want to make the video not too uninteresting. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I get there. Stay waiting for somebody to do something crazy, man. Look at him. Them boys trying to race. Listen, man. All these videos I've been seeing about folks pulling up to these YouTubers' house. Hey, man. Y'all better be careful out here, man. You see, it ain't that bad. I think our whole takeover phase was during the pandemic or whatever. And it kind of calmed down since after then, but I definitely have been stopped for being in the on the bike. Look at it. I definitely have been stopped for being in a Dodge Charger. And I really wasn't doing nothing. Car wasn't in sport mode, nothing. But that's another story for another day. Look at this dude, man. Clown. This the first Cars and Coffee of the year. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Hold on, this my buddy calling me. Yeah.
I see you right here. When you turn in, I'm right here. I'm gonna follow you. See me?
Oh yeah, I see you.
Alright, I'm gonna just follow you back. Just follow me.
Alright, bet. Like I said, I ain't no morning person, man. I ain't been to a Cars and Coffee since like last summer. I can't do it. I don't see how y'all do it. I need some coffee. For real. I really need some coffee. It's packed out here. You got the JDM boys, Jeep boys. We coming out this summer though. We gonna come hard this summer. I'm about to I got a lot of stuff in the works. If you seen my my community post, you see I've been buying little parts here and there. We about to get the car all the way turned up. I'm doing mostly performance stuff right now because that's the most expensive stuff that I can go ahead and get out of the way. But I'm gonna do some cosmetic things too. I definitely got some cosmetic repairs that I need to make to the car. So, like I said, I ain't gonna talk too much on what I got going on. But just know, big things on the way. Big things on the way for the car. Big things on the way for the channel, for the brand, everything, man. So, yep, look at the boys' cars right there. Man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Before I was a Mopar boy, I was an LS boy. And still low key an LS boy at heart, but you know, rocking with the Mopar game right now. But yeah, my first car was supposed to be a Camaro. But unfortunately at the time, I wasn't making enough money. Insurance was too high, so I couldn't make that really happen like I wanted to. But you know, maybe one day in the future, maybe. But you know, it's Mopar no car. It's Mopar no car for right now. Forever actually. Cause this car right here ain't never going anywhere. So I'm about to hop out the car, see what the boys got going on. We're gonna see if we can go find something interesting. And I'll hit y'all then.
Mine still sound, brother.
I told y'all you got some headers out here. Oh man. Oh man. Sound good. Let me see what you're working with. This thing right here clean, boy. I love this. Hey, she sound good, bro. You sound good. Sound like you already got a can.
Man, I know. You gotta be
yeah. That joke sound good. I like that song. What up to me? She sound good. Man, boy, go sit yourself down somewhere, dude. What's wrong with you? You better be glad you're on video. You already know what time it is. Alright guys, we really didn't do too much walking around at the Cars and Coffee meet, man. We just sat there and talked a little bit, but now we on our way to do something, man. Out here with these two Maros, man. Got me with the Chevy boys today. Let's about to see what they talking about. Alright guys, so we finally made it down here, finally. It's like, ain't even gonna lie, it's like 2 or 3 hours later. When I was with the boys earlier, it's around 12 o'clock now. It's going on 4. But finally got down here. Get ready to throw this thing on. But I was taking a look at all the mounting points for where everything is supposed to go. And I seen this. Y'all let me know if this is normal. I really don't know. It is on both sides, so I'm assuming this is normal. Let's just take a look. So y'all see these oil stains down here? Man, what's up with that? Somebody let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna assume it's normal. It's nothing I should be majorly concerned about. But if I should, y'all let me know what's up, and we'll take it to the dealership and see what they can do about it. Cause it's still under warranty, thankfully. All right, guys. So this is what we're working with. I ordered this off of Amazon during the Christmas season. I think it might have been before Christmas. It was definitely before Christmas. It was around Black Friday, which might as well be Christmas season with all the Christmas ads. But yeah, I ended up getting this Billet cash can off of Amazon for the Lowski. So it was the cheapest one, the cheapest Billet one I could find on Amazon at the time. So don't quote me now. I don't know how much it is now, but I got it while it was on sale. So I'll leave all the links to this stuff down in the description. But this is the cash can. Of course, it opens up like this. Kind of easy to get off. And yeah, it is Billet, like I said. This is the filter right here, the little oil filter, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw all this together now, so I don't forget. Me looking crazy. So yeah, like I said, it comes off like this. Got this little screw right here at the bottom. Got all the mounting hardware right here. Everything for the these are the ends to the hoses, which are right here. They are braided line. They look pretty nice, pretty thick. Take one out of the case. This is the longer hose. I kind of wanted to wait to do this because I do have something on the way for the car, which is gonna basically require me to do this all again. But it is what it is. Wanted to go ahead and get some content out today. But this is the hose. Looks pretty good. It was decent. Alright, guys. So the tools you're gonna need for this install is a 12 millimeter socket and ratchet to fit this bolt, to screw the bolt into the block right here. And there's some spacers in here also. Just you gotta put on either side of the thingamajig on the I forget what it's called right now, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, and then you need a flathead to help you get this tube right here out of these connectors, because I heard they're pretty hard to get off. Yeah, let's get started. Should take no time. So what you want to do is take this harness right here out of this out of the block, and this is where you're gonna screw your bolt to your Z thing, whatever it's called, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And it's ideal to have some kind of pry tool for clamps. I don't exactly have one in the moment, so I'm gonna try and pull it out. So give me a second to do that. And then, like I said, you want to take these connectors are loose right here, and then you're gonna stick these little thingamajigs right here in there, and you're gonna connect your hoses. So let me get that done. yeah, guys, that's about it. That's the install right there. Looks pretty decent. Like I said, I just don't like the way this fitting slips in and out like that. I don't know what's going on with that. It's weird. But yeah, that's it, man. I probably drive it like a couple of thousand miles. Check it out, see what's going on with it. If I have to order another another set of fittings, I'll do that. But yeah, man. More to come as far as the build. As I've been showing you, I've been picking up parts. I've been picking up parts throughout the whole month of December. So a lot of performance parts coming, a lot of big things coming for the build, man. Y'all stay tuned to the channel. I appreciate y'all coming through. If you stayed this long, man, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Got way more coming for the channel. And yeah, man, y'all be easy. Appreciate y'all.